Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Shubham Ashokra Rathod. Now I am going to discuss about the another experiment of the ecology, that is a minor experiment from the ecology section, that is determination of the pH of different water sample with the help of pH meter or the litmus paper, that is the pH paper. Okay, so this is the aim of the uh, this experiment that we are going to perform. So to demonstrate this experiment we required certain material, such as we required the beakers and also required the different water samples from different region. So I have taken these three beakers. Also then we also require the litmus paper. So with the help of litmus paper we are going to determine the pH of these water samples. So this is the pH paper. The procedure is very simple. We have taken the three different water samples and we also labeled it as a ABC respectively. So we just have to take the strip of this litmus paper, you can see here. So this is the litmus paper. So this is the bunch of litmus paper, and in this litmus paper so many there is a one scale is there, you can see in this diagram, and your screen you can see the diagram of this pH scale. So in this pH scale you can see that so there are the so many different color shades are present, and on the basis of that we can determine the value of the pH. Okay, so of any solution or any a water sample we can determine the pH of that particular sample. Okay, so just we have to take the strips. So I have taken the lots of strips. So first of all I have taken the three strips, and I am just cutting this strip into the half for use, because we don't have to lose so many strips for the simple experiments. So we have to uh, conserve it. Okay, so we have to use very carefully. Okay, so first of all just start our experiment. Okay, so first of all we have taken the forceps, and with the help of this forceps just pick up the one strip and dip it into the dip it into the dip it into the sample A, and after some minutes you have to observe the actual observation, or you have to observe the color change in the um, this litmus paper or the pH paper. Okay, so just you have to wait for the few minutes. After the just I will drop this. Then drop this another pH paper, and then dip it into the another sample. You have to just wait for few minutes after the dipping, so it will be very then we will also this strip also we will wait for the few minutes. Then also drop this strip for the last time and dip it into the last sample, that is the sample 3, that is C. and just you have to observe the color change in the. So we will wait for the few minutes, but in this so you must know about the somewhat about the acidity and the basicity. So pH, it is the measurement of the measuring of the acidity or the basicity. Okay, and you know very well that the acidity is the nothing but it is the measurement of the concentration of the H plus ion in the particular solution. So acidity, it is depend on the H plus concentration which is present in that particular solution. Okay, and basicity, it is the measure of the concentration of the OH minus OH negative concentration determines the basicity of that solution. But in the so more will be the H plus concentration in the certain solution, more will be the solution is acidic. Okay, so acidic, but in neutral there is no acidity, but in there is a one value in which the certain solution showing the nor the acidic or acidity or nor the neither the basicity. So such solution is known as that is the neutral solution, and this neutral solution always having the pH value that is the 7. So 7, it is the pH value neutral. It means that they nothing showing the nor the acidity or neither the basicity. So away from 7 to 1 towards the 1. So when we go from 7, 5, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So as we go to this value, the acidity increases. So if the question will ask to you there are the two solution having the 2 pH value, that is the pH 1 and pH 4. Okay, so in between the which solution is more acidic? So answer is that the solution which having the acidity pH value 1, so that is the more acidic in nature, because as we go away from the 7 value towards the as per the from 6 pH value, then 5 pH value, then 4 pH value, ultimately the H plus concentration is increases towards the, so pH 1 value having the more highest concentration of the H plus concentration. So that's why this pH 1 value having the more acidic in nature, or this pH 1, it is the highest acidic value. As per when we goes from 7 to the 8 pH value, then 9, then 10 up to the 14. So at the 14 pH value there is the highest value of the base. So as we away from the both side, that is toward the acidity and toward the basicity from the neutral value, that is the pH. So on the basis of that we can determine the pH value. So on the basis of this by comparing the color of this strip we can determine the pH. For the sake of your understanding, we have also prepared certain solution of the acid and the base. So this is the solution of the S2SO4, and this is the 5% solution of the sodium hydroxide, that is, so this is the solution of sulfuric acid, and this is the, so another one, it is the sodium hydroxide. So this is the acid and this is the base. So we, for the proper understanding how this litmus paper reacts with the acids and base, so that we will just we have to observe that. So now I am going to dip this litmus paper into this S2SO4, that is the acidic solution, that is the 5 pH, 5% of S2SO4 solution is there, and just so because normally this water sample having the pH value near to the neutral value. Okay, so we can observe, we can't observe the color change, direct color change due to the for instance. Okay, so to observe the instance response to this litmus paper into this acidic solution, we have to just dip, and you can see this. Now this litmus paper is changes to orange, and in this litmus paper scale, this is compare, when we compare this color with this pH scale, then it determining this pH as 3. So this H2SO4 solution having the pH of 3 pH solution is there. Okay, but when we dip this pH paper into the NaOH solution, then also we can observe the following changes. Then you can observe that now this pH paper is look like the blue in color. So this is more about, so we have to also wait for the few minutes to recognize the actual pH of this NaOH solution. Okay, so you can, for the sake of your understanding, we have just prepared this acidic and base solution. So now I will compare this solution. I will compare this pH. So this is the sample C. This is the pH of sample C, and the sample C is, when we compare this sample C, it is somewhat near to the pH value 5. All the three then B also having the pH value 5, and when we compare the A, that is also the A, that is also the 5. So on the basis of this litmus paper, we can determine, or we can determine the pH value, and that observation table that you can see on your screen. Okay, so in which we found that all the three samples, that is the ABC, that found ABC found the pH value near to the 5 pH as when we compare to the pH scale. It means that these water samples are the acidic in nature, somewhat acidic in nature. So pH value of these samples are the 5. Okay. So you have to observe that the water sample A, B, C are found to be acidic respectively. Okay. So just you have to write down such kind of result, and just so now we will stop here. Thank you very much.